Well, hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. In today's video, I will review Aerodrome Finance. Once again, if you remember, I covered this topic or this project around 4 weeks back when it was at around 46 cents, which is right over here. And within 4 weeks, I told you it will pump close to $1. And guess what? It actually pumped close to $1 and we can see it standing at 71 cents. So in this video, we will predict or we will analyze how far it can go from the current prediction and what are the key developments that can really pump this token, which is AERO token by Aerodrome Finance. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about Aerodrome Finance. Now, before beginning, like I always say, please do remember to press the button, also press the bell icon if you haven't already, and remember to click on link below to join my Telegram group right away. So what is Aerodrome Finance, guys? So Aerodrome Finance in short is a DEX on basechain. So you can see here the textbook definition. Aerodrome Finance is a next-gen AMM designed to serve as base central liquidity hub, combining a powerful liquidity incentive engine, workload governance model, and a friendly user experience. So clearly, it is a DEX with a very strong tech. Now the question is, what about Aerodrome? Why is it so special? For that, you can check out my previous video. I will share the link above and the description. Check it out if you want to learn this project in detail. In this video, I will talk about how far the token can go. So in this video, you can see right over here, it is written Aerodrome Finance or Aerodrome was launched on 28th of August 2023 on Base Network. That means it is quite an old project, not a new one. That makes it quite reliable on basechain. Now looking at the tokenomics, they have a token called AERO token, which is their ERC20 utility token of the protocol, and also they have another token called AERO, which is actually their NFT based token, ERC721 governance token in the form of NFT. So clearly the focus is on the price action of AERO. If you look at the chart, which is right over here, you can check it out that the token has pumped a lot recently, then dumped, then pumped, then dumped, and now it is on the verge of pumping once again. If you look at all-time high, that is close to $2 or $2.2, and now it is at 71 cents. That means there's a lot of room for this token to grow given the factor that base chain is growing itself. You can see here, if you look at DeFi Llama to support my thesis, it has $3.65 billion TVL at the moment. Last 4 weeks back, it has $2.8 billion TVL. So clearly this thing is increasing. And if you go down here, you will see the number one protocol or number one project on it is Aerodrome at nearly $1 billion TVL. That means Aerodrome is leading the race of top projects on base chain. That also means all eyes are on your AERO token. That gives a good push. Now talk about the supply. The supply is right now is close to 1,814,000,000 circulation. Of course, they have emission schedule. If you go back here, I will tell you the emission schedule, which is right over here. It has started. You can see total supply. It will increase to full swing from week 200 from TGE. So I think the TGE was at around 2024. If not, I think can be around the project inception, which is at around April or August 2023, as I told you before. So that means this token has a lot of time in hand before we see the flood of supply in its ecosystem. That also means if you invest now, there are high chances it will go up. Now, this is not a financial advice, but again, I can clearly see, given the total supply emission schedule, it has a lot of time to grow. Plus, look at its smart contract. So, contract speaks for itself. Already 605k holders, which is very healthy. Plus, this is quite decentralized. Look at the holders holding 1.9.8. So clearly this is totally decentralized token, which gives enough power to it to pump further. If you buy it, you won't get rugged at all. Clearly, it is a leading protocol and is here to stay and can pump further. If you're looking at the supply or you can looking at the price action, clearly I believe it will stay down and can easily hit $1 and maybe surpass all-time high in 2025. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, every token trying to reach new high this season, and that can be possible because we believe the bull run is around the corner. What are your thoughts about Aerodrome? How high it can go? Comment below, let me know. With that, I complete my video. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.